Hi everyone. Sorry about my absence, but I just wanted to take this time to welcome you back to another Archangel Tarot card animal reading. So, for this card, the guidance wants you to remember that when you receive this card, you are reminded that everything you need to know is already within you. Take time to let yourself relax and surrender to the divine in order to access your innate wisdom and knowing. Then be aware you will be raising your frequency as well as that of all those around you. When you are centered and calm, Archangel Raphael connects with you and your psychic and spiritual awareness develops. You spread peace, love, and healing, being centered in yourself. Confers protection on you, your home, and your loved ones. As the universe watches over you, it also enables the angelic realms to bring you your heart's desire. You are invited to be courageous and independent today and to do what is right for you. Remember that if something is for your highest good, it is for the highest good of those around you too. So, if you believe that that has helped you and has guided you to a better today, tomorrow, and the near future, the card is, oops, wrong one. It's the cat. Be relaxed and independent.